The war has begun, and it's between you and you. There ain't nobody else in your way. See, I've heard it all. From I'm too small, to I'm not fast enough, to I'm not strong enough, to I can't make it back. This is what it takes. This is the sacrifice made for a greater good. It's called dedication. To the small things, to the little details. You aim small, you miss small. Because it's the small steps that ultimately climb mountains. So why would you skip that workout? Why would you give up on that last rep? Why would you cheat on that meal? Why wouldn't you give it your absolute all? That's called effort. And time, it stops for no one. You've got one shot at this thing called life. So it's up to you to make it happen. You got a choice where you spend every minute of your day. No one decides that but you. So who else is it on? Who else but you? When the dust is settled and everyone else packs it in, that's the critical moment. When no one else is there to tell you what to do, and no one's watching you, it's on you to create that voice that goes on in your head. Is it going to say, I'm going to get 5 more? I got to get my work in before I play? Or is it going to say, I've had enough. Let's go to the bar. Let's relax. That voice, it's going to be your biggest asset or it will be your biggest enemy. But it's all on you. It's on you to let it fuel you. It's on you to be positive and let it open up the possibilities. Greatness is telling your friends, I can't go out tonight. I can't do drugs. I won't be the one to pick up that drink. I'll be the leader amongst all of you. You're just one click away from having it all. But you just gotta put in your work first. You wanna be someone elite? You need to make up in your mind that you're gonna be elite. Nobody's born special. And physicality will always be trumped by what's going on in your head. You see, they think it's genetics. They think it's God-given. God is good, but they don't see this side of it. They don't see the drive. They don't see the rise up. They don't see the sacrifices. They don't see the continual hunger or the fury in my eyes. They don't see that I'll do whatever it takes to get there. Talent means absolutely nothing if you don't hone in on improvement. And that comes with staying focused in your mind to push forward, push past the pain, push past the barriers. So you have one thing you gotta do. Get comfortable being uncomfortable.